कालांगूट किंग मायकल लोबो हांकां पंचायत वेंचणुकेत धपको बसला। 5 वर्सां उपरांत परत कालांगूटच्या पंचायतीचेर सरपंच पदार वेंचून येवन तशेंच भाजपाचें पॅनल वेंचून हाडून जोसेफ सिक्वेरान विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी मायकल लोबोक घाम काडला। कालांगुटे भायलो मनीस कालांगुटीची उदरगतीची कामां करपाक शकना असो तोमणो तांणी मायकलाक ह्या वेळार मारलो। सरपंच पदाची माळ गळ्यांत पडल्या उपरांत जोसेफ उलयतालो।
All of us, like Kalangutkas, we have got together because we don't want any other person from outside Kalangut to rule Kalangut. We want Kalangutkas to rule Kalangut. We know where the problem lies, where things are missing, where we have to add things. So we know, Kalangutkas knows very well. So that's why under our leadership, like all the members has supported me without any issues, right?
So this is for 5 years or you are
It
distributed?
is 5 years.
No.
The panchayat is for 5 years.
Your post is for 5 years or something like 1 year?
Let us see how it is now.
Huh.
Mostly it will be 5 years, but as it if someone needs it, then definitely we have to give it.